The Money Compass, navigating finance and investment opportunities. Welcome to The Money Compass, your guide to navigating the exciting world of finance and investments. Today, we're diving into some critical global events and uncovering hidden opportunities that could shape your financial future. Let's look at the bigger picture. The financial world is like an ocean, sometimes calm, sometimes turbulent, but always full of opportunities for those who know where to look. Lately, the waves have been stirred by global economic shifts, technological innovations, and surprising geopolitical developments. From renewable energy revolutions to game-changing AI technologies, every headline you read carries a clue to your next investment move. Let's start with one of the hottest topics in finance: emerging markets. Countries like India, Vietnam, and Brazil are becoming economic powerhouses, thanks to rapid urbanization and growing middle classes. Did you know that by 2030, India alone is expected to account for 15% of global GDP growth? Investing in these markets doesn't just diversify your portfolio, it's like getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing. Sectors like technology, renewable energy, and consumer goods in these regions are booming. Consider the rise of electric scooters in Southeast Asia, a $500 million industry poised to grow exponentially. In these markets, a growing population coupled with increasing consumer spending power creates fertile ground for innovation. Companies specializing in e-commerce, fintech, and digital payments are flourishing, offering investors lucrative opportunities. Think about how platforms like Flipkart in India and Mercado Libre in Latin America have transformed local economies, making them attractive investments for those looking to tap into the global growth story. Speaking of booming sectors, let's talk about artificial intelligence and tech disruption. From ChatGPT transforming the way businesses operate to AI-driven healthcare solutions saving lives, this is a sector that's not just growing, it's exploding. Big players like Google and Nvidia are leading the charge, but smaller companies focusing on niche AI applications like predictive maintenance for factories or AI in agriculture are hidden gems. Imagine investing in Amazon back in the early 2000s. That's the level of opportunity we're talking about here. AI advancements are also making waves in industries like logistics and transportation. Autonomous vehicles, smart supply chain management, and delivery drones are reshaping how goods move across the globe. Companies working on these innovations represent a growing market segment that is ripe for investment. Moreover, AI is now being integrated into financial services, where robo-advisors and algorithmic trading platforms are revolutionizing investment strategies, making them more accessible and efficient. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to The Money Compass. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content to navigate your financial journey. Now let's shift gears and talk geopolitics. Whether it's the global energy crisis or the ongoing US-China trade tensions, these events might seem daunting at first, but they often pave the way for new opportunities. For instance, Europe's push for energy independence has triggered a massive wave of investments in wind and solar power. If you've been thinking about investing in renewable energy, now might be the perfect time. ETFs focused on green energy or individual stocks in solar technology, companies are options worth exploring. The geopolitical landscape also opens doors for defense and cybersecurity industries. As nations increase their budgets for defense and security, companies developing advanced defense systems and cybersecurity solutions stand to gain significantly. Additionally, supply chain resilience is becoming a critical area of focus. Businesses and governments are investing in reshoring and nearshoring manufacturing, creating opportunities in logistics, infrastructure, and industrial automation. What about inflation? It's been on everyone's mind lately, and rightly so. Rising prices can erode your savings, but here's the silver lining. It also creates opportunities to outpace inflation through smart investments. For example, real estate investment trusts, REITs, often perform well during inflationary periods. They provide steady income and hedge against rising prices. And don't forget commodities like gold or even newer options like Bitcoin, though with crypto, always tread carefully. In addition to traditional investments, inflation often sparks innovation in alternative assets. Collectibles, fine art, and even vintage watches have emerged as unique investment classes that hold value over time. Platforms enabling fractional ownership of these assets are gaining popularity, allowing investors to participate in markets previously reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Another fascinating development is the ongoing shift towards sustainable investing. More investors are aligning their portfolios with environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. This trend isn't just about ethics, it's also proving to be profitable. Companies that score high on ESG metrics often outperform their peers, as they're better equipped to navigate regulatory changes and public scrutiny. Funds focusing on clean energy, ethical supply chains, and fair labour practices are becoming increasingly popular. Let's not overlook the potential in health and wellness sectors. The global pandemic has permanently altered how people view healthcare and personal well-being. Telemedicine, wearable health tech, and biotech innovations are sectors to watch. The telemedicine market, for instance, is expected to reach $396 billion by 2027, driven by advancements in technology and increased adoption of remote healthcare solutions. Healthcare innovation isn't limited to technology. Nutraceuticals, functional foods, and personalized nutrition are growing markets as consumers prioritize health and wellness. Companies producing plant-based proteins, supplements, and health-focused meal kits are capturing the attention of health-conscious consumers and investors alike. Additionally, don't ignore the opportunities in the gig economy. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are thriving as remote work, and freelancing continue to gain traction. Investing in companies that enable this digital workforce could pay off significantly in the coming years. Think beyond stocks. Peer-to-peer lending platforms and crowdfunding ventures are also options to consider. The gig economy also intersects with the creator economy. Content creators on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch are driving demand for tools and services that help monetize their work. Companies providing video editing software, digital marketing tools, and creator-specific financial solutions are positioned for growth as this sector evolves. The concept of diversification is key when building a resilient portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider spreading your investments across multiple asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative assets. Even within stocks, diversify across industries and geographical regions to reduce risk. Diversification can be the difference between weathering market volatility and facing significant losses. Alright, now that we've covered the trends, let's talk about what you can do today to set yourself up for success. Here are 3 steps to start navigating your financial journey. Asterisk, asterisk, educate yourself. Dot, asterisk, asterisk. Stay informed about global trends. Set aside 15 minutes a day to read financial news or watch videos like this one. Asterisk, asterisk, diversify your portfolio. Dot, asterisk, asterisk. Spread your investments across sectors and regions to minimize risk. Start small, but start now. Whether it's $10 or $10,000, the key is to take that first step. Remember, even small investments grow over time. At The Money Compass, we believe that anyone can achieve financial freedom with the right tools and mindset. It's not about having millions to invest, it's about making the right decisions with what you have today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Until next time, keep your compass pointed toward prosperity.